Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. So this is going to be a pure love reading for you and we will get started right now. So let's see what has been going on in your love life. By the way, if you need any information related to this channel or personal reading or donation, anything as such, you can check in the description box. So what has been going on? So with the Nine of Wands, it seems like Virgo, you are going through a very difficult time. Right now, you are having to think about something, and while processing those thoughts related to this love connection with this individual who is in your mind right now, it seems like you feel quite anxious. All right. So there's anxiety, there's heavy breathing, there's, yeah, the feeling of heaviness in general. Okay. Basically, tired. Why? Because, yes, you feel like the cups are spilled and this, love connection has come to an end, is what you're feeling. All right. So is it true or not? We'll find out. Yeah, with the Queen of Pentacles over here, this person whom you had been dealing with might be someone prominent in your workplace, all right, because Queen of Pentacles, or maybe somebody rich in general, okay, somebody who's earning quite good, all right. So also with that said, it also means someone who is very hardworking, someone who is very intelligent, somebody who has earned that name and fame and that, yeah, financial prosperity for himself or herself. It can be he or she, all right. So that is someone. So it could also be your boss for some of you, all right, could be mature than you, all right. But it seems like you could never have one kind of feeling for this individual. What I mean to say is that you definitely have always remained attracted to this person. You have always appreciated this person, and your respect for this person is something that drives you back to him or her. And yes, like I said, their intellect, their dealings, the way they speak, basically, they have a manner of sophistication to some extent, and you really like that in this individual. But this person has been on and off, okay, in your energy field. So sometimes you would feel their energy and sometimes you wouldn't. So along with that, your faith upon this connection, this situationship, would also wither at times, okay. So that is what is being indicated by the Two of Swords. Could be yeah, this person could be either Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, yeah, all the signs I'm seeing here, okay. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I also see the water signs, all right. So yeah, now with the Ten of Cups, you had really hoped that this person will come into your life, will enter your life, and your life will finally be, emotionally fulfilling for you, something that you have waited for so long. Probably you have been through heartbreak in the past as well, and when you saw this person, you felt like, that personality of your dream had, incarnated and is standing in front of you. That is how you felt, and you felt like this is going to be that individual who is going to bring that sunshine in my life, and I will be able to see, you know that rainbow of happiness. I will have all the 10 cups to myself. So basically this person will fulfill me emotionally and I will reciprocate as much. That is what you had thought, Virgo. But yeah, you had seen everything possible with this individual, but that did not happen, is what I'm sensing. Okay, so with the Knight of Swords, yeah, you really wanted this to progress fast. You wanted this person, this individual, to understand how you wanted this situationship to progress. Okay, so this is the card of progression as well. You can see the knight who is, rushing somewhere, and is rushing quite fast, right? So yeah, you really had wished that this person would understand what your heart's true desires are, and you really had faith that this person understands because you shared energies with each other. Not much communication I'm seeing over here, but definitely, you had felt that, this person will act as chivalrous as this knight and will approach you and will ask you out on a date, and you two will go and things will progress fast and will lead to 10 of cups kind of situation. But that didn't happen. Now I'm going to ask the spirit guides, how is this person feeling towards you? How's this person feeling towards you? How's this person in your mind feeling towards you right now, Virgo? Wow, this person is feeling like you are walking away, and this person is clearly missing you. Five of Pentacles means someone who is feeling left out in the cold. So, yeah, this card might also literally mean, your person's telling you that they are missing you. I miss you. All right. So, yeah. Wow. With the three of, you know, um Wands and Five of Pentacles. This person is wondering just where you are. It seems like you have disappeared. This person did not reciprocate your feelings, and then you walked away and completely ghosted this individual, is the sense that I'm getting. And that is why this person is thinking, where are you? This is like your person standing right there ashore and, looking, you know, for his beloved, and is asking, where are you? All right, I'm missing you. Where are you? Hmm. What else? With the death card, yes, Scorpio energy is coming up very strongly over here. All right. So with the death card, I think this person's outlook towards you, towards relationship. If you are a lady who's watching this, then this gentleman's, outlook towards ladies in general, what they need, what they want, where I went wrong. This person is contemplative about everything that they did wrong in, the past dealings between you two. All right. So this person is realizing his or her mistake. This could be a lady as well. If you are a gentleman who's watching this, or if you are in a same-sex relationship, then take it as it resonates. But I strongly sense someone who's regretting for their past action, and somebody now who's looking for you. Somebody's like, I'm regretful and I'm looking for you now. I've seen your worth. I realize your worth. Please come back to me. You're my only reason. You're the only reason why I smile now. Okay, so with the King of Swords, yes, this person feels like you're quite cold and distant. Okay, this is how they are looking at you right now. Their perception upon you is like King of Swords. So someone who has taken his or her power back. So this is you have taken your power back, and you are not communicating with this individual. You are not giving any kind of chance for this individual to even come near you. So they are viewing you like someone, yeah, somebody who's closed off, and somebody whom they have to be scared of. Okay, someone whom they are intimidated by right now. All right, they are intimidated by you right now. They feel like, they have done so many things. If they say something, if you say something to them, related to their past action, then they'll have to swallow all those words, and probably they don't want to do that right now, or maybe they are just scared. They don't want to be rejected by you. The prospect of being rejected by you is quite scary for this individual. So yeah, and additionally, they now feel like you have many options. It seems like, Virgo, you are no more chasing, you are attracting, and they can see just how many options you have, and now they want to come back and apologize, is the sense that I'm getting, because they are transforming rapidly. So what is going to be the outcome of this love connection, please? What is going to be the outcome of this love connection? Will this person come back? Will there be a communication between the two, or maybe the arrival of the new love? What is going to happen? It seems like you'll keep on moving on in your life. All right, so yeah, this is the card of moving on, Eight of Cups. So there's no, basically this is telling that there's no way you are going to go and communicate back to this person. This person will have to come to you for this to rekindle, is the sense that I'm getting. And with the Justice card, yeah, that is right. If you are walking away from this individual, this is the confirmation from the spirit guides. If you are walking away from this individual, then it's all right. But this might also mean the involvement of some sort of, legalities, legal, some sort of yeah, judgment that has to happen before this new beginning can manifest. But look, your energy is coming up strongly. Yes, so yeah, what these cards are telling, spirit guides are telling you that it's all right. Let this person realize, let this person be enlightened by his or her own, through, by the grace of his or her own, intuition. All right, so you don't need to do anything. You sit on your throne and you wait for that karmic justice to happen. If you're walking away, it's all right. Let this person come back, because now it is your turn to remain in that energy of the High Priestess. You are so intuitive. It seems like, Virgo, many of you know that this person is regretful, and you know that they are going to come back someday, and that is why you are sitting there calmly, patiently. You have taken your power back, right, like I said, and you are basically sitting there and you are watching the drama unfold. Okay, I don't mean to say that this person is so dramatic or anything as such, but what I'm telling is that look at this priestess. Okay, somebody who knows everything, somebody who's intelligent, somebody who's calm, patient, knows her worth, and is sitting there, and she's like, all right, I know what is going on in your mind, but I'm letting you, you know, invest in this connection now because I've done my part. So let me see just how much you do, kind of energy. So whatever you're doing fantastically well. Remain in this energy, and this, there is a strong, strong, possibility of this individual coming back to you, because this person is scared, this person is jealous also to some extent, and is going through transformation. Once that ego death happens, then this person will most possibly approach you. So yeah, let us see what happens. Okay, so until the time I see you again in the next reading next week, I love you so much. Like this video please if you want it to reach to more of the Virgo friends. All right, so until the time I meet you again, yeah, again, I love you so much. Bye.